Hello, my dear learners. This video is on Grade 3, Chapter 8 Introduction to Microsoft Word 2013. So, my dear learners, tell me, can you see this page over here? Yes, you can see. It is beautifully written. Okay, there are different type of text in it. The text is in different color. It is highlighted in different color, and so nicely it is written. When you look at this text or this document, you feel like you can also create your homework or project or assignments in the same way. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn how to create these types of document and which software will help you create this type of document. By using this software, you can create your homework. You can make beautiful projects and assignment. So we are going to learn about word processing software. Word processing software allows us to create documents that can have both text and picture. Text means the alphabets or the word that we type, that is called as text. And also you can insert pictures on it. It provides features for changing the appearance of the text. That is, you can change the style of the text, and it also let us create attractive document by adding beautiful pictures and colors. Popular word processors are, there are many word processors, okay, available in the market. Some of them include Microsoft Word and WordPad, OpenOffice Writer, Corel, WordPerfect, and Apple Pages. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to create documents using Microsoft Word 2013. Now I'm going to tell you some of the features. What do you mean by the features? The advantages, okay, of word processing software. Some of the features of word processing softwares are as follows. We can type text as well as insert pictures in a document. Editing functions such as inserting, deleting, if you want to delete something. Okay, deleting means erasing something. Moving and copying. Okay, if you want to move the text from one place to other. Then word or lines. Okay, you can also move and copy one word, one character, or the whole line. Okay, then the third one is we can highlight important words or lines in bold, italic, and underline. We are going to learn all these things. You can change the font as well as font color. That is, you can change the style of your font. Font means the text, the alphabets, the characters. You can also change its color. We can check the document for spellings and grammatical errors. Yes, the word helps you to correct your grammatical or spelling mistakes. We can search words or parts of word. If you have created a big document where you have 2 to 3 pages and more than that also, and if you want to search one word or one line in it, you can just go and type and you can search it where it is there. Okay, you can also replace. What do you mean by replace? If you have one word and you don't want that word, you want other word in place of that word. So you can replace it with a different word. You can search for that word and you can replace it in the whole document. You can also easily number the pages and you can also put margin to the pages. So these were some of the features of word processing software. As I told you before, in this chapter, we are going to learn about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processing software. It comes as a part of Microsoft Office package. So you don't have to download it separately. If you have a laptop and if you have Windows operating system in it, then you will have Microsoft Word in it. It is used to type letters, notes, poems, stories. You can create your own projects and assignments using Microsoft Word. Okay, so first we are going to see uses of Microsoft Word. Okay, now Word has variety of uses in offices, homes, and schools. At homes, Word is widely used for writing letters, stories, poems, essays, assignments, worksheets, and projects. We can also use it for creating greeting cards and posters. And offices, Word is useful, very useful tool for writing mails and preparing business reports. And in schools, Word is used to type test papers. Your teachers create your test papers by typing them in the Word. They also create your timetable, report cards, curriculars, and assignments using Microsoft Word. Now, I hope you have understood the uses of Word, Microsoft Word at home, schools, and offices. Now, I'm going to tell you how to start or how to open Microsoft Word. Now, can you see at the bottom the search box over here? In the search box, just type Word, WORD. Can you see? I got Microsoft Word 2010 and my laptop I have 2010. Okay, we are studying about 2013. There will be some little minor differences that I will be telling you. So if you have Microsoft 13, very good. Any version of Microsoft Word 2000, Microsoft Word will do. You can practice on it. Okay. So for opening it, just click once on Microsoft Word and your Microsoft Word window will open. Now we are going to learn about some of the components of Microsoft Word window. First is the quick access toolbar. This is, can you see my mouse pointer on the left top corner? This is the toolbar. Quick access toolbar is present on the top left corner of the Word window. It has buttons for commands that are used frequently, that we use again and again. The commands that we use again and again, it has buttons for it. By default, the buttons present on it are save. This is the save button over here to save the file. Next is undo button to undo, roll back the previous action. Next is the redo button to redo the action that was undone. Next you have the title bar. Can you see my mouse pointer? This is the title bar. Title bar displays the name of the document on which you are currently working. It displays the document name. Currently, my document name is document 1 because I have not given it a proper name. It displays the document named followed by the name of the program Microsoft Word. The first new document we open in the Word is named as document 1. We can give a new name to the document at the time of saving it. Next is the ribbon. Ribbon is located just below the quick access toolbar. I'm moving my mouse pointer over it now. It contains various commands for working in a document. A ribbon has several tabs on it, such as File, Home, Insert, and Page Layout. Every tab has commands that are divided into groups. Every group has a set of related commands. For example, commands related to changing the style of the text are present in the Fonts group in the Home tab. Now I am in the Home tab and in the Fonts group, you have different commands over here. Some groups display small icons at the bottom right corner. It is called dialog box launcher. Dialog box launcher. A dialog box launcher appears when we click on the dialog box launcher. I will click on one. So this is a dialog box launcher button. The dialog box has more commands related to the group. So in the paragraph, this is the paragraph group. When I click on the dialog box launcher button, the dialog box launches and you have more options related to your paragraph group. Collapse the ribbon button. The collapse the ribbon button is present at the top right corner of the ribbon. When we click this button, only the tab names get displayed. This is the collapse the ribbon button. So when I click on it, only the tab name get displayed. When I again click on this, you can see the components of the ribbon. Work area. We can type text and insert pictures, tables, charts, etc. in the work area. The blinking vertical line in the work area is called cursor. It shows the position at which text will appear when we type. Rulers. Rulers are horizontal and vertical rulers that let us change the width and the height of the work area. These are the rulers. Vertical and the horizontal scroll bar. There are two scroll bars in a Word window. The vertical scroll bar is located to the right of the document, this one, and it lets us move up and down. The horizontal scroll bar is located at the bottom of the document window. It lets us move right to left. Horizontal scroll bar appears only when the width of the document does not fit on the screen. It appears over here, the horizontal scroll bar. Status bar. Status bar at the bottom of the window on the left side, it provides details such as current page. Can you see one of one? Such as current page number and the number of page in the document. The view buttons and the zoom slider are present at the right side of the status bar. Now we are going to start creating a Word document. The steps to be followed to create a new document are: click on File, click on New, choose the blank document, New blank document, and click on Create so that a new blank document appear. Entering text into Word. In order to enter text, left click in the work area from your mouse. Start typing the text. The text appears at the position where the cursor is placed. When the text reaches the end of the line, it automatically gets shifted to the next line. This feature of the Word is called word wrap. To start a new paragraph, simply press the enter key. So now I'll start typing. I wait for the summer vacations every year. During the vacations, I meet my cousins. We play and watch movies. Full stop. Next paragraph. For that, I pressed enter. I like to attend drawing and dance classes during the summer vacations. Okay. This is how you type in your word from your keyboard. Next is selecting text in Word. We can select text and then work on it. We can select the text by using the mouse. The steps to follow are: place the cursor before the text to be selected. Suppose I want to select this line. So I will place my cursor before the line. Give the left mouse button press, drag the mouse over the text to be selected like this. Release the mouse button, the selected text gets highlighted. Can you see? The text I wanted to select is highlighted in black. Adding a new text. We can insert new text at any point in our existing document. To do this, follow the steps. Position the cursor at the point where the new text is to be added. Okay? So, if I want to add new text over here, suppose over here. So, I can add we play and watch movies. I will also add that we also enjoy eating different type, different types of food. Full stop. So wherever you want to add new text, you have to place your cursor over there and you have to start typing. The new text is inserted and the existing text shift towards the right. Deleting the text. To delete the character, press either the delete key or the backspace key. The delete key removes the character to the right of the cursor, whereas the backspace key removes the character to the left cursor position. Okay, to delete a block of text, select the text like this. Okay, and then press delete or backspace key from your keyboard. Now I'm pressing delete key. So my text got deleted. Again, I'll type of food, full stop. So as I said before, for deleting the text, okay, the backspace key removes the character to the left of the cursor and the delete key removes the character to the right of the cursor. I hope you have understood up till now. Next, features about Word we will be explaining in the next video. Till then, open Word and start typing and start practicing. Bye. Take care. Thank you.